Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to log out of your Steam account from other devices guys. So if you want to log out of all computer or devices that you have used including this one guys, you just need to open up Steam, click on Steam tab and select settings. On left side select security, on right side under the Steam guard select manage Steam guard. In here you just need to scroll down guys. Your Steam authorized devices, you can use Steam Guard on Steam mobile app to view details about the device that you have authorized to access your Steam account and log out any device that you no longer trust. Click below to log out of all computers or devices that you have used including this one. Click on this deauthorized all devices and select proceed guys. This will log out of Steam everywhere. You will need to reauthorize each devices, computers and browser you wish to use guys. Select proceed. In some case you logged in your friend's PC, that will be logged out guys. You just need to log back in. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.